Hi everyone, Laura from Georgetown Soaps here. I am just testing up a new fragrance for BeScented. This one is Paradise Coconut and it's a Bath & Body Works dupe. It is sweet tropical starfruit with plumeria, gardenia, jasmine, coconut, and a little bit of white musk, and it smells fantastic. I'm really digging some of these new coconut scents that I've been testing. So really having fun with those. And of course, who doesn't like a coconut scent? And sometimes coconut blended with a little bit of something else just makes it even better. So I am going to be brave and do 4 colors for this fragrance, but I have not had a testing soap accelerate or rice or really misbehave in a long time. So I thought I would just go ahead and do 4 colors for this one. Not really sure what Paradise Coconut looks like color-wise, but I thought I would do a green, a pink, some activated charcoal, and then just the white for the base. And as you can see, that the fragrance was actually pretty thin once I poured it in. The batter did not thicken, so very easy to work with. And so I'm just trying to get my white batter to thicken up a bit so that I don't have too thin of a batter once I go to pour all my colors in. All right, and I definitely got my colors thick enough so that I wouldn't have too thin of batter. And so I'm just gonna kind of randomly pour everything in, no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. Probably use my little chopstick swirl. And so don't think that this fragrance accelerated. I really did stick blended in just to make sure my colors were a little bit thicker, and then I let the colors sit for a minute. So fragrance behaves absolutely fantastic, and I really like the colors that I picked out for this one. So I'm going to just continue pouring. You'll see me use my little chopstick, and then I will bring you guys back for the cut. And I like when the batter gets a little bit thick so that when I go on top, I can do a little bit of texturing. It's not just a solid, flat soap. And so you can see, I've got my little swirls going on. I was really happy with this one. It smells really, really nice. So hopefully it does well for the cure, and then we can carry it to BeScented. That was probably my favorite bar out of the whole batch. But I really like the contrast with the colors. And again, the fragrance smells fantastic. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.